Where are they? That was thorough. That was easy.
Survival bonus.
Good location. Let's go.
Like I thought it was a truck.
The stock is level 2.
There's a crypt here. Level 3.
Go here. Early bird gets 1.
Reloading. Hold up.
Let's go. Let's go.
The smoke shrouds your eyes. Uh-oh. How this
A
getting?
new Reaper has arrived.
Reloading. Firing will commence shortly.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Level 3. There's a shield here. Level 3. There's a magazine here. Level 2.
Supply ship en route. A new Reaper has arrived.
That's right. Get the fuck out of here, bitches.
Start delivering airdrops.
An ambush. Ah, crap. I'm down.
Oh damn.
Safety first.
Let's go.
Airdrop delivered.
Damn. Dropping people. I'm getting better at this game. I'm getting better at this game. Getting better.
Hello, lovelies. I'm back. I'm under attack. Direct hit. Reloading.
Survival bonus. Respawners disabled.
Forgot, got a bandage. I fucking dropped that shit wrong. Oh, I got fucking one tapped? Wow. GG's.
Start delivering airdrops.
GG's.
Out of the way! Maggie is in a rush!
Only had 20. Man, they killed up. They fucking took a. Where do I look at assists? Only 5? Bullshit. Bullshit. How do they count assists in this game? Made it to 4. Made it to silver 4. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Let's go. Pioneer season. I like the game. It's fun. And I also like that they have this. They have deathmatch, hunt. Like this one's cool. Beta, where it's just one-on-one. It's pretty dope. Yeah. That one was fun. Yeah, pretty dope. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, chat. Well, I'm going to go ahead and cut stream here. Thank y'all so much. Y'all are freaking amazing. Y'all are numero uno. Will always be numero uno because without y'all, this couldn't even happen. So greatly, greatly appreciate y'all. Y'all have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on where you're at in the world. And as always, love, peace, shit, and grease juice, everybody.